We are living in a fast-paced society. Everything is made instant. This is the age of junk food culture, artificial flavors, and harmful preservatives. Keeping in view of the human health, Society for Energy, Environment and Development (SEED) was formed as an NGO in 1987 by a few professionals with expertise in engineering, management, law, and social work. During the past 13 years, many training programs, entrepreneurship programs, feasibility studies, and R&D projects were conducted with support from various governmental agencies and UN organizations. Food processing is identified as one of the major areas of research and development. It is vital for preservation of fruits and vegetables as it reduces spoilage by a great extent. Fruits have been preserved in the form of fruit bars through processes such as open sun drying and electrical drying. To enhance the quality of such preserved food, solar food processing was identified as an important area for exploiting the abundant agri-horticultural produce.
This is a cabinet type of dryer which doesn't require any conventional electrical energy but which is as efficient as forced circulation dryers. So as a result of the intensive work what we have done during the last 5 to 6 years, we have successfully carried the pilot scale a 52 products, food products. Dehydration process we have undertaken and completed the technology necessary to pass on the know-how to the rural women and unemployed youth.
The result of R&D in this area is a solar-powered air dryer and its applications. The breakthrough solar dryer technology invented by SEED integrates solar thermal and solar photovoltaic technology in a cabinet dryer. The dryer operates in high-efficiency forced circulation mode on a zero energy cost. It has a cabinet temperature between 40 degrees centigrade and 65 degrees centigrade, stainless steel trays, ultraviolet reduction filter, and measuring devices of temperature and relative humidity. These dryers have opened a new chapter in fruit processing technology on the micro level. It is used in the processing of 52 products such as fruits, vegetables, spices, forest produce and medicinal plants which are dehydrated with pre-treatments in solar dryers. Mango pulp, for instance, is a product for which this technology is used widely. The well-preserved pulps are taken and other ingredients like sugar and glucose are added. Chemicals such as citric acid, pectin and potassium metabisulfate are mixed in the right proportions for taste and good shelf life. After this process, it is cut into slabs, bars and toffees and packed to be marketed. Similarly, this technology used on products such as Sugandha Phala, Gamkarya, Karakaya and Amla adds to the value of the product, maintaining its quality, keeping it free from dust and retaining the original color and texture. Each product is tested using physicochemical and microbiological analysis for moisture, acidity and pH values, sulfur dioxide content, and to keep a watch on mold formations. Then it is tested for nutrients, after which it goes through further sensory evaluations for taste, texture, flavor and color, undertaken by a panel of trained judges. Most important is the test for consumer acceptance, which is carried out on a group of students. These processed and tested products are then packaged for marketing. These solar dryers are a boon for tribal women and men who live on a collection of forest produce. The training for technology transfer and women entrepreneurship takes place at various organizations at different locations such as SEED in Hyderabad, NGOs such as Tri Sankshema Trust in Penugonda and women's organizations such as AIWC in New Delhi.
For that we had conducted many camps in Hyderabad and Samyantoli, Kadda, Ibrahimpatnam and around like Rangareddy district anta chupichamu. There is lot of awareness about this that we created and people also evinced keen interest. ఎందుకంటే ఇది న్యూట్రిషియస్ ప్రోడక్ట్ అండ్ దెన్ క్లీన్ హైజీనిక్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్టాండర్డ్కి బాగా అబౌట్ ద సేమ్ స్టాండర్డ్ ఉంటుంది. అందుకే చాలామంది లేడీస్ జెంట్స్ ఎవ్రీవన్ వేర్ ఎవర్ వీ హ్యావ్ టేకన్ దిస్ క్యాంప్ దే హ్యావ్ షోన్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఇన్ ట్రయింగ్ దీస్ ప్రోడక్ట్స్. విమెన్ ఆర్ విల్లింగ్ టు డూ. ఇది చేపలు రొయ్యలు కూడా దీంట్లో ఆరబెట్టుకోవచ్చు. దానికంతా వాళ్ళు నెల్లూరులో కూడా నేను కొంచెం చెప్పి పెట్టాను, కలెక్టర్ కూడా చెప్పాను. బట్ స్టిల్ నథింగ్ మచ్ హ్యాస్ బీన్ డన్ ఇన్ దిస్ రిగార్డ్.
The cost economics of solar food processing technology is very favorable for women enterprises at the micro level as it involves low investment and yields high returns. The modular system of dryer facilitates individual activity, family activity and group activity with annual profits of 40,000 rupees, 2 lakh rupees and 4 lakh rupees respectively, with the use of modern technologies of preservation and value addition, thereby allowing self-sufficiency and social and economic empowerment.
A village entrepreneurs schemes, or in other words we can say that government rural employment guarantee schemes can fall into this category, and we are now trying to export the food products and also the domestic market we are developing, and so that the income generation will be there for the rural women and youth. We have been doing the research for the last 4 years or 5 years with the help of the Department of Science and Technology, Ministry of Non-Conventional Energy Resources, and also the REDSO, the Windrock International. They funded all our projects to carry on this food processing technology. And we are very grateful to all these organizations, and because of funding we are able to nurture this new technology which we have started.